want to do one more video about making math equations, and this time I'm going to show you how to write a piecewise function. So, all right, we're here, and I want to write 2x plus 3 in absolute value to, oh my gosh, I'm totally blanking, to answer the first video that I posted. So I want to be able to write this as a piecewise function. So right now, this equation can't be written. Okay, yeah. Sorry, let me make it how you guys see. So switch to basic view. Okay, so you all would see this, and when you hit the vertical bar for absolute value, it automatically gives you a pair, and then you could type 2x plus 3 or whatever, and equals. Okay, so what I want to show you all is something that might even speed this up more or make it a little bit easier than having to switch through all these tabs and stuff. So I'm going to switch to advanced view. Oh my gosh. Okay, and suddenly this looks different. Right? It's all these backslash calls, like what I've been doing when I would say like frac. Okay, and then they display what it looks like down bottom. So this is something called LaTeX or LaTeX. And so if I want to write a piecewise function in LaTeX and I just want to know how to do it, instead of searching like how to write piecewise function in Canvas or anything, you search LaTeX command for piecewise function. All right, cool. And there's an entire tech stack exchange, and then they say, hey, here's an example, and here's what we did. You might say, oh my gosh, that's so gross. Don't worry about it. So we're going to go ahead and just copy it from begin array to end array. We go over here, we hit it, and bang, it's looking like something. And I wonder if, do they have, I tried this, oh, and I say, but it didn't work. Okay, right. So what do we want to do? Cases. Cases is what we want to do. And this might seem, if you don't know coding, this might all seem weird. Oh, and they don't like it. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Maybe it's because I still have a begin array command. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. That shouldn't be there. That's looking better. There we go. Cool. So I just didn't read this page beforehand. You're seeing me do this basically real time. So this person is saying here's what they want. And this is the thing that doesn't work, which is what I did. And so here's the answer that does work, and I just messed up when I copied and pasted. But if you copy and paste between the cases and stuff, then here's begin cases, here's end cases, and here's all that stuff. So now I'm ready to enter what I want. And the way it works is, so I have 2x plus 3. And you know what? Let's go ahead and just be really clear so that way I can show all my steps. Just like I would do on paper, but I'm going to show them in this LaTeX command. So, and then I have minus of the 2x plus 3. Oh, plus 3. It's so useful that it renders this real time. Oh, I love that so much. This is the way we write math papers, by the way, is by, it looks like computer code, and we actually only see stuff like this, and we just cross your fingers and hope and pray that it looks nice. So let's see, we want this one to be greater or equal, so instead of LEQ, it's GEQ. And maybe I'll copy and paste this code in my answers, that way you can copy and paste it into yours. Okay, cool. And so now this is equal to, and I'm going to begin cases, end cases. Let's copy and paste. All right. And what is this equal to? I just want to do the final solving for x. So if I move the 3 over and divide by 2, I get x is greater, I get x is greater or equal to, and I want frac, and then I have minus 3 over 2, and less or equal, and it's actually the same thing, minus 3 over 2. Oh, it doesn't like I said fac, and I need frac. All right, sweet. And I can solve for x. Okay, sweet. So notice in the display, right, here's my absolute value function, which I rewrite using function composition. And then I rewrite again where I solve for x in the friendly way. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that. So this is what I'm looking for as a response after you watch this first video. And then I already have my response for the second video up. Let me tell you all, so you can copy and paste for the piecewise, I before E, piecewise function stuff. So that's just for your help. Okay, all right, that's all.